All right, final example here in 9-2 for algebra. All right, so the last useful thing that, factoring is good for is rewriting expressions in different ways. So when they ask you to rewrite an expression in a bunch of different ways, all that's really asking you to do is factor. This just means AKA factor. I say at least 4 different ways. We could definitely come up with about 7 I can think of off the top of my head. So first off, let's start with our GCF. What is the biggest thing that I can take out of both of those people? I'm tired and hungry. Oh God, I gotta take a break soon. Of both of those pieces or both of those terms. Let's see. GCF is going to be equal to 8. 8 goes into both of those, and 8x. So if I take that GCF of 8x out, remember I'm dividing each of these pieces by 8x. That leaves me with 2x minus 1. 8 divided by 8, 1. X divided by x, 1. So that's one way to rewrite that. Okay. Another way to rewrite it would be with something other than the GCF, taking something other than the GCF out. Well, instead of taking, 8x out, why don't I take 4x out? All right, both of those 16 and 8 are divisible by 4. If I take a 4x out of each piece, I'm left with 4x minus 8 divided by 4 is 2, and x divided by x is 1. So 4x minus 2. And I can keep going. Instead of taking out a 4x, I can go smaller, and I can take out a 2x of each piece, leaving me with 8x minus 4. I think that's it for numbers. 1 doesn't change anything because it's just, parentheses with a 1 outside. That's not really rewriting it at all. But I could, instead of taking an 8x out, I could just take out an 8. If I take an 8 out, then I'm just left with 2x squared minus x, right? Those x's aren't going to change at all. Keeping that pattern in mind, I can take out just a plain old 4 and leave me with 4x squared minus 2x. I could take out just a 2, leaving me with 8x squared minus 4x. And there's one other one that I could just do. And that would be taking out just a plain old x, leaving me with 16x minus 8. So there you go.